Shamai, another Kala U-Bass review. This one, the Bakithi Kumalo signature model. So I've been very lucky. Kala have sent me a stack of electro acoustic U-basses over to have a little review, have a little go and show you guys. And in fact, it's Kala UK, because those guys, Geraint and Walt, are based in Wales. So yeah, I'm having great fun doing these. And this one is a little bit different today. So why is this one a bit different? Well, it's an artist signature model. Bakithi Kumalo, who was a South African bass player, probably most well known for playing on Graceland, Paul Simon's album. And this actually isn't Bakithi's first artist model for Kala. He's been a long-standing Kala supporter and had his own California fretless U-bass as well. I always fancied one of those, but can never get hold of one. Yeah, but I can't moan because I have got my own signature model. I've got the Nick West California U-Bass. So Bakithi California U-Bass was a fretless model. This one isn't. It's got fret. It's also got roundwound strings, and something else unique to this model is a little scratch plate as well. So what I'll do is run through some prices and specs, and then I'll give you a little sound demo. So the official model number is the U-Bass Bakithi-FS. What does it come with? Obviously the bass. There'll be an Allen key in the case because it has got a truss rod. They take 9-volt batteries. This one already had one in, and it comes with a case, padded, not thickly padded, but a good padded case with shoulder straps and an accessory pocket on the front. So the price of these, £249 from Southern Ukulele Store and $299 from Kala. So another mid-range in the prices. So specs and features, and I will pop them all up on the screen in a moment or two. Okay, so it's a laminated mahogany top, sides and back. It's got the access cover to be able to change strings and things. This one is a screw-in, not magnetic. It's actually quite a plain body. It's just mahogany look. It's a satin finish, no rosette or binding or anything. But as I mentioned, this really nice, quite striking black pickguard. So mahogany neck and headstock, a rosewood fingerboard and rosewood saddle. Graphtec plastic nut. It'll be a plastic saddle as well with the piezo pickup sitting under that. Oh, and I should mention the nut, 44mm or 1.75 inches. Custom black dye tuners, open tuners that work great. This one comes with the Kala roundwound strings already fitted, and they are very nice to play, I have to say, and I'm not generally a roundwound player. So it comes with the Kala active EQ, which has got a middle, a treble and a bass, and there's an inbuilt tuner. And of course, with it being electro-acoustic, apart from using the tuner on here, you can actually hear it playing as well. And the last couple of features, it's got one black strap button on the bottom. If I was going to have this, I'd probably put a black strap button onto the heel of the neck as well. As it is, I'm using a headstock band. Okay, so yeah, one strap button and 16 frets as well. And yes, somebody asked me the other day, yes, they all come with side markers. Like the other U-basses, the scale length is just under 21 inches and the overall length is just under 30 inches. Right, I'll pop all the specs up on the screen for you to have a little look at now in detail, and then we can have a little listen to it. That's all the specs and features. I don't bother putting weight up of these compared to the solid body mini basses. These are so light, okay? Right, let's play it. I'm going through my Gensler MG350 head amp and my barefaced 110 cab. So action-wise, it's probably a little bit more important on these metal string electroacoustics than it is on the rubbery or polyurethane strings. Action, I haven't measured it, but it feels fine. And like all the others, overall quality control has been excellent, you know. No sharp frets, nothing like that. No fret buzzes or anything. I'm sorry. The bass seemed to have survived the slap. Did enjoy that then. The Bakithi Kala signature U-Bass model with flat wound strings. So yes, a nice instrument to play, I've got to say. So not the most blingy looking U-Bass, although that is quite a striking little pick guard on there. And with the darker rosewood saddle and the darker rosewood fingerboard as well. Yeah, it's a nice looking instrument, but more importantly, I think it's a nice instrument to play. And I hope it's a nice sounding instrument too. So price again, £249 from Southern Ukulele Store and $299 from Kala. But remember, please buy these instruments from specialist shops. In other words, somebody who is going to take a look at it and set it up and check it for you first. And remember, it comes with a nice case with rucksack straps on it. That for me ticks a massive box. So again, a massive thank you to Kala, and happy anniversary. It is 20 years this year. Kala brand has been around music-wise, and 15 years last year for the U-Bass too as well. So a massive thank you guys and congratulations. So I do hope you have found this review useful and enjoyed it. I have got a Patreon site if you'd like to support me here on the channel. I'll pop a link in the description below for that. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.